Hello, everyone. Today I want to explore a thought-provoking question. Can eating before bedtime render the growth hormone ineffective? Let's delve into this topic together. There's a crucial fact to be aware of. Growth hormone is the main fat-burning and anti-aging hormone. However, eating before bedtime might diminish the impact of this incredible hormone. Throughout the night, there is a natural surge in the growth hormone, but having a meal can compromise this increase, though not entirely. Therefore, make your last meal your dinner and ensure you've consumed enough fat so that you don't have to snack right before bedtime. Enter sleep with a full growth hormone surge.